Every morning at 8, a little dog waited outside a quiet cafe, and every morning the same man passed by, alone, eyes straight ahead. He never looked at the dog, but the dog came back. Rain or shine, he waited, hoping. Days became weeks. Weeks turned to months. He followed the man to the bus stop, the store, through silent streets, always behind, never beside. Then one day, the man stopped. He knelt, reached out, and whispered, "I used to walk a dog just like you." From then on, they walked together, no longer strangers, no longer alone.